Big changes are coming to your Android devices. Google has announced that it will replace Google Assistant with its new AI-powered assistant, Gemini, later this year. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to stay updated on the latest tech news. According to a recent TechCrunch article, Google will begin upgrading users from Google Assistant to Gemini over the coming months. Eventually, Google Assistant will no longer be accessible on most mobile devices or available from app stores. But it's not just smartphones that are affected. Google plans to upgrade tablets, cars, and connected devices like headphones and watches to Gemini as well. Additionally, home devices such as speakers, displays, and TVs will receive a new experience powered by Gemini. To ensure a smooth transition, Google has been enhancing the Gemini user experience. They've added features like music playback, timer support, and the ability to take actions directly from your lock screen. This move isn't entirely unexpected. The Pixel 9 smartphone line was launched with Gemini as the default virtual assistant, highlighting Google's commitment to this new AI platform. Gemini offers more advanced capabilities than its predecessor, providing new ways to assist users through tools like Gemini Live and deep research. As Google Assistant is phased out, users can look forward to a more advanced and integrated AI experience with Gemini across their devices. For more insights into the latest tech developments, check out the related video in the corner.